If you need to keep track of your time, this is a perfect timesheet to use. I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. So here we go. So first you want to figure out what week you're starting on. So we're going to double click in here and we're going to choose the day. So let's say that we are going to start the week of March 8th. And then once we put that in there, it will correspond with the days of the week. So let's do this again. And if I choose a different day, if we're starting on Monday, it will come in and choose Monday as the day of the week. Okay, and so if we are working with a client, we can say the client name or the business name. So let's just say we're working with John, and the task is we are going to create social media posts. And we're going to start at 9:00 a.m. and note the way that I am putting in the time. And then we're going to end at 12 p.m. for lunch. And once we click that, it'll show that we've worked 3 total hours so far. And it's also calculating the total hours here on the bottom. Let's come back in and finish after we are done with lunch. We'll come back in at 1 p.m. and then we'll finish at 5:15 p.m. It will calculate the total hours for that day being 7.25 hours, and then the total hours for the entire week being 80.42 hours. We can also put in the rate per hour. So say this, that you are being paid $18 an hour, and then it will tell you the total pay of $1,447.50. So easy as pie. I also have a blank timesheet for you to use, and that way it's completely blank. You could use this to duplicate this. If you wanted to have a timesheet, say you're doing this for different people, you can rename them. So we're going to go to the drop down box, we're going to duplicate, and then we're going to rename. So we can call this the John timesheet. And that way, if you do have staff, you need to track, time for your staff, you can do that as well. Or if you have time for different weeks, you wanted to track it that way as well. I do have multiple other timesheets for employees, timesheets that can help track overtime and lots of other things as well on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I have lots of sheets that can help with your business, HR, with your budget, your home, staying organized. Take a look around. There's over 400 sheets. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.